Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today we are going to see day number 20 in our stock market 60 days campaign which we're doing. So still 40 more days to go, and the journey is as of now with ups and downs. But this is the journey of every trader, everyone who puts their hand into stock market. This is the life of everyone. There's nothing to panic, and as long as our money management is perfect and our risk and reward ratio is perfect, we don't have to worry about anything else. The quote for today is: the goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. Okay, so what we also have to concentrate is the same thing. Don't worry about the returns what you're going to get end of the month. Don't worry about, see, many people what they do is they start calculating that end of the month I'll get so much percentage, I'll get so much percentage, I will pay this amount, I'll pay that loan, I'll pay this thing, that thing, etc. etc. Don't calculate your money. Only concentrate on your trades. For this particular day, my loss is going to be only so much, and I'm going to trade for so much. That's it. Rest you leave it to the market. Whatever market gives to us, we have to accept it, and only end of the month you must be in a situation to tell that yes, I got so much, I got so much. Okay, so this is the reason when many people ask me that how much can we expect returns out of your strategy, I don't say them lucrative figures. I tell them a very modest figure of around 5 to 7% or 7 maximum 10%. I don't go to say lucrative figures. Though you can see that I'm already at 20% levels, I don't say that yes, you'll get more than 20, more than 10 also. Okay, so this is what is the learning for today's video, and let us go to today's live trading video. And the stock was Icici Bank. Icici Bank was giving a very good trending situation. That is the reason why we took up trending situation. That is nothing but the breakouts at the high and at the low level. So we are calculating the targets and the stop losses. The target of 0.6%, and also similarly the loss is going to be 0.4%. Okay, so our risk reward ratio is clear. It is 1:1.5, which is very good enough to make very good decent returns end of every month. Okay, it will take care of your slippages, it will take care of your brokerages and everything. Quantity, as I already told you, it is loss divided by stop loss. So you are very much aware that how much you are going to lose end of this trade. So one of our order is already been placed. It is trigger pending, and then the next order we are keeping for the sell as well, and sell also will be keeping a breakout situation, that is breakout in the downside. So in case if the market goes down, it will get broken. In the same way, the target and stop loss, it is 0.6%, which comes to 2.2. In the same way, as you already calculated, the stop loss is 1.5 and quantity is going to be 1000 divided by stop loss. It's 666. Okay, perfect, clear. I think nobody had issue in this. Almost everyone are learning this method. It's very simple, it's very good, and end of the day we were in a situation of loss. We got minus 999 loss, that is nothing but 1000. So we know our loss is perfect. It's 1000 rupees. We will not go more than that. In case if there is slippage, we can't help it, but we have to accept round figure 1000. Okay, so this is our trade till today. 20 days of live trading campaign, and everyone, all of you, whoever have learned from you, hope it is helping you all, and congratulations to everyone, those who are in profit still now. Let it be even 5%, 10%, whatever the profit is, celebrate it, because this is a small step towards a big journey. Nothing else you have to do. Whatever you learned from me, just follow the same thing, and you can see that already we are in a profit of 10,756. That is nothing but 20% returns on our capital already. Okay friends, so last but not the least, I would just like to update about my option trading tactics. So this is a small training program which I have started, a 6 months mentorship program. In case if you want to learn the tactics which are involved in options trading, I'm not teaching you the strategy alone. I'll be teaching you the tactics to how to do the adjustment so that you will be in profit 90% of the time. Okay, let me say it 85% of the time. Modest, let us be very modest. Okay, but our backtested result shows that we are in profit almost 100% of the time, but I'm not keeping it a lucrative figure. So we will keep it at 85%, and it's all because of the adjustment we do. It's not because of the strategy. You can follow any strategy, but I'll also be sticking to one or two major strategies. But the main part is you have to learn the adjustments. You have to know the importance of each legs in your options trading. So all this will be taught in your options trading tactics. So it's a 5-part course where it'll be overall program will be for 6 months. So you can just WhatsApp on my number and then take the details. And also, in case if you want to learn the trend analysis also, which you're doing for the 60 days campaign, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525 and learn. And last but not the least, in case if you open Demat account, we had free till March 7th. It will be free account. I'm requesting them to continue this free opening of Demat account. So just give a try. I'm using the same trading platform for my trading purpose daily in my mobile itself. It's best suited for working people. Okay, and also benefit for you is that in case if you join Upstock with the link provided in the description of this video, then I'll be getting 50% discount on my trading fees. So make use of the facility and let me know if any doubts are there. Once again, repeating my number 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.